To take it slow, and that's going to be the name of the game today, is to take it slow and take your time. We have a winter weather advisory out for almost our entire viewing area until 4 o'clock for most of us, until 1 o'clock for the very last row of our communities there in our viewing area. But no matter how you slice it, you are going to see that wintry mix today. That wintry mix really staying mainly along and south of I-96. We're going to have mainly snow chances, wet, heavy snow, mostly along and north of I-96. But it is a variety of colors this morning, as we're going to have that mixture between that rain, that sleet, that ice, that wintry mix, even some snow worked in, and that just gives us quite the mess on the roadways. It does not take a lot of ice to cause issues out there. As we've been saying, they can weigh down trees, weigh down power lines, and of course cause very slick, icy spots out on the roadways. Now we're going to continue this mix throughout the rest of the day. Here's what it looks like hour by hour for you. Notice that mainly snow staying north of I-96 and that wintry mix staying south. We're going to try to transition over all to rain as we warm up for the afternoon, still keeping some of those snow chances north of I-96, and that's why this winter weather advisory goes till 4 o'clock, because we're going to try to make that transition all the way over to rain, and then we'll be drying out as we get later and later into the afternoon time frame. Here's a look at your temperatures. We're right around the freezing mark, causing more of our concern this morning, as of course, when any of that freezing drizzle, freezing rain hits the pavement, it'll start to freeze over as well. Very light winds, and as you take a look at your Tuesday bus stop planner hour by hour, just really need to bundle up, plan ahead for that wintry mix for much of the day, as we're going to push towards 35 degrees before the day is done. Here's what you can see in terms of what you get. More snow north, where that dark blue is, that more of that mixing light blue, more of the mixing as well, and that pink is mainly all ice. But again, a little bit of ice goes a long way, so we need to be cautious. Overnight tonight, mostly cloudy, mainly dry. Temperatures dipping back into the lower 30s. And here's where we pick up tomorrow. As we start at 7 a.m., we're going to start to see some of that rain move in. We'll be warm enough tomorrow to be strictly just rain, as then we'll take a break and we'll start back up with rain again throughout the day on Thursday. Thursday more so in the second half of the day, but still warm enough for straight rain. So how much rain are we going to see this week? Whatever we get today, again, a lot of it today will be more of that freezing rain setup. But then as we go through Thursday, so the course of the 3 days, we can gain mainly around an inch, maybe more, inch and a half as you travel south and east. But again, this is over the 3 days, and that includes what we'll see today, but much of today is more of that freezing rain setup. So here's the next couple of days for you. Right now, on average, our daytime high should be 30 degrees, 39 tomorrow, 41 on Thursday. That's why we're strictly just rain. On Friday, we'll take a break, a little bit of wintry mix chance Saturday evening and overnight into Sunday. And then by next Monday, still 35 degrees. Still above average. We're going to stay that way. The next 8 to 14 days, Climate Prediction Center puts us in those above average temperatures, as this takes you out till February 5th.